this is Kartika and you are on my YouTube channel. Today we are doing an interesting video which is like very viral on YouTube right now. It's the clean girl makeup look, or we can say clean makeup look. So this is basically just like no makeup look, but a dewy version of that. So it's basically a glowy, dewy, no makeup look, which is like very fresh and clean, and it just looks like natural skin only. So this is my favorite type of makeup. I usually do this type of fresh makeup, and I just don't like a heavyweight foundation to apply on my face. So this is like perfect look for me. So for this makeup look, the hair also plays a very important role. You need to have a sleek hairstyle. So I have just done a sleek hairdo, like a hair bun, and I have just applied a little hairspray to just adjust all the baby hairs of my face. So yeah, so without wasting any time, I'll just quickly get into the video. So the first step you have to do is just clean your face with a face wash, and you can apply a hydrating face mask or you can apply a serum. So you have to have this glowy finish to your skin before you just apply your makeup, so you can do that. I'm just gonna apply hyaluronic acid. So this is really good for that hydrating skin effect. So I'm just gonna drop a little on my face. And I'm just gonna massage it evenly. If you have dry skin, this is the best moisturizer or hydrator for your skin. Always just massage your face upwards so that you don't get wrinkles on your face. So I'm using this Minimalist Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5. This is the bottle. This is really good product by Minimalist. I personally love Minimalist a lot. So the next step is to apply a moisturizer. After applying hyaluronic acid, you have to apply a moisturizer to lock in all the moisture. And I am using this Lakme Lumi Cream Moisturizer with highlighter. So this does the effect of highlighter with moisturizer, so the glowy effect comes naturally. You can use the normal moisturizer you have. I'm just gonna take a little bit of it and I'm just gonna dot it on my face. So as you can see, it's giving me an instant glow naturally. So the third step is to apply a primer, and for primer I'm using this NY Bay primer. It's a pore minimizer primer, and I have pores near my nose, so I'm just using a little bit there. You can skip this step if you want to, but to get a clear, flawless base, you need to apply a little primer. So you can instantly see that blur effect near my nose. And I'm gonna apply a little on my chin also, and also on the forehead area. So the next step is to apply a foundation, and for foundation you can use any lightweight foundation, no heavy foundation is needed. So I am using this Lakme 925 Weightless Mousse foundation. So this is my favorite foundation. It's so lightweight and it doesn't looks cakey also. It's just like a cream. So I'm just gonna mix this foundation with a little moisturizer because its texture is just like a thick texture. So I'm just gonna mix it with a little cream to make it more applicable. So I'm again using this Lakme Lumi cream with it, and I'm just gonna mix this foundation. So now it's a little in a state of application, so I'm just gonna dot it again on my face. You can either apply it like a cream or you can use a beauty sponge to apply it. I don't think there is a need of beauty sponge to apply this cream because it's just like a cream. You can also use a CC or BB cream to apply on your skin if you don't have any acne marks or any blemishes. It's a very lightweight foundation, so you can use it on a daily basis too if you want to. So for this look we need a flawless base, so you can still see my blemishes right here and here. So I'm just gonna hide it with a concealer, and this is Insight Makeup Essential concealer which I'm using right now. It's a beautiful concealer. It's a cream concealer, so it's really easy to apply, and I just love this. It has a full coverage concealer, so you just need a little bit of it and you can hide your blemishes easily. The Inside concealer is a little bit darker from the shade of foundation that I applied, so I'm just gonna mix it with this concealer by NYP. You just need a little amount, not a lot. So now I am just gonna blend this concealer. So now I'm gonna blend this concealer with this beauty sponge. So the flawless base is now ready. You can see that. It's just looking glowy and dewy. This is what I want for this look. The next step is to apply a little blush to make this look a little more fresher looking. So I'm just gonna apply this Lakme Absolute Blush Duo, which is like a pink and peach shade. So I'm just gonna mix both the shades like this, and I'm just gonna apply it on my cheekbones. So next step is to apply some eyeshadow. You can skip this step if you want to. I'm just going to use this blush only for my eyeshadow, and so you can use any eyeshadow you want to. It's just don't have to be a loud eyeshadow look, so you just use a lighter shade and apply it on your eyelids. So the next step is to apply some eyeliner, and I am using this Blue Heaven Jet Hold Mini Eyeliner. I just love the Blue Heaven's eyeliner. So I'm using this precise brush which is used for nail art, and I'm just gonna apply this eyeliner with it. So my eye look is done. You don't need a dramatic eye for this look, you just need a subtle, soft eye look, and that is what I have done right now. The next and the last step is using a lip cheek tint. You can either use a light lipstick, like a lighter shade lipstick, or a nude one. I'm just using this Earth Rhythm lip and cheek tint. It's a beautiful berry shade and it just looks so good on my lips. So lastly, for more glowy effect, I'm just gonna apply this Gloss Me lip gloss by Swiss Beauty. It's a beautiful lip gloss and it's so affordable. So the look is complete and it's looking super stunning. I just love these kinds of look, just the fresh, no makeup kind of a look. You just don't need a lot of products, just the minimal product and minimum quantity of those products is necessary for this kind of a look. And it just looks so fresh, like you haven't applied any, heavy makeup. So all the products that I have used for this look are really affordable, so anyone can use this product and create this look. So that was it for the video, guys. I hope you like this look. It was super easy to create this look, and you can also create this look because I have used affordable products in it. And yeah, you don't need really high-end products for creating this look. So please do try this look and let me know in the comment section below. Also, let me know in the comment section below which looks you want me to try next, and do like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and I will see you next time in our next video. Bye bye.